Hey, it's a Mr. Capalbo. I just wanted to let you know I made a homemade breakfast. My egg broke. Oh, okay. Anyways, it's homemade breakfast, and here comes the danger cat. Anyways, it comes with much applesauce, pear, and of course I need some juice to drink with that, and I have some orange juice. Okay, so this is just a little sample of breakfast. But this coming Sunday, the 15th, we are going to make bread dough. It's Italian. It was brought up, I got it from my aunt, Antalina from Rhode Island. And let me tell you, when you have the bread dough made, I don't have time to make the dough, so I'm going to go to the grocery store and buy the bread loaf. You buy the bread loaf, they're frozen. I think they're made by some bread company. And you bring it and you let it sit out for a couple of hours to let it proof. You let it proof and rises. Then you cut it up and, well, we'll get into that. But this is a little sample. This is my breakfast. I'm going to eat it now because it's getting cold. But I'm giving you preview now. My video will be up by 11 a.m. on Sunday. So remember to watch, and bon appetit. Ciao.